Good afternoon to all. Respected Chairperson Dr. Soikia Sir, respected Co-Chairperson Mr. Shiva Sir, Mr. Digvijay Sir, and respected Thiru Burman, myself Papari Haloi, Librarian of Bolkhetri College, Nalbari, Assam. Here I am going to give a brief overview about open educational resources. First one is the introduction part. Open educational resources are the teaching, learning and research materials in any medium, digital or otherwise, that research in the public domain and have been released under an open license, which permits no cost access, use, adoption and redistribution by others with no or limited restrictions. Here, these are the types of OER. Next one is the three important OER, that is open online course, which is now converted into MOOCs. Example, Naptel, SWAYAM, Coursera, edX and Udemy. Next one is the Open Courseware, OCW. An example of OCW is the MIT Open Courseware, Open Learn. Next one is eGyanakos and NCERT textbooks. Next one is the Open Textbooks. Open Textbooks is a textbooks licensed under an open copyright license such as Creative Commons and made available online to be freely used by students, teachers and members of the public. Examples are National Digital Library of India, Open Textbooks Library, Open Textbooks OER Commons. Next one is the directory, platforms, repositories for open educational resources. A directory provides list of OER and the links to the resources available in web. Besides the resources, platforms could include some tools to develop or adopt for OER, whereas a repository is a database or collection of resources usually developed by a particular institutions. These are the different example of different directory, that is Public Library of Science, OES, Directory of Open Access Journals, Directory of Open Access Books, etc. Next one is the platform. Example of platform is the Wikipedia, WikiEducator, OER Commons, repository, that is MIT Open Courseware, Open Text, eGyanakos, Naptel, etc. Then we comes to tools for OER developments. There are different types of tools, some of which are free canvas for teachers, which is a well-known tools for OER development, which is free for teachers, students, their parents and anyone else who wants to use Canvas learning tools, even if the institution is not a Canvas customer. It allows teachers to post grades, information and assignment online. Next one is the Chloroline. Then these are the Kurki, Desire to Learn, Dispace, EduCommons, Joomla, Moodle, etc. Then tools for OER developments are OER Knowledge Clouds, OLT, Open Educational Consortium, Plone, WikiEducator, etc. Benefits of OER. There are various benefits of OER. Some of these are accessible and affordable by all. These are without boundaries, it is available. Provides access to huge amounts of material. Next, provides self-paced learning of students. Time is flexible. Offers reusability of resources. Promote lifelong learning. Bringing the gap between non-formal and informal education. As a learner, one can achieve the best resources for best institution in the world. These advantages of OER: quality issues, lack of human interactions between teachers and students, language and cultural barriers, then technological issues, then copyright concerns and sustainability issues. And in conclusion, you can say that open educational resources have advantages for faculty and students. For students, it all but guarantees access to course materials and presents a significant cost savings. For faculty, it reports the chance to explore and modify new contents and to expand one's pedagogical search, moving from teaching students around an institution to potentially teaching students from around the world. Thank you. Thank you, sir.